Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey there! For today's video, we're gonna be adding more friends to a Snapchat shortcut. Now, if you have a shortcut on Snapchat, maybe you got new friends and you wanted to add those specific people to them so that you can increase your Snap score or just communicate with them, send them photos, videos. Today, I'm gonna show you how you can add people to that Snapchat shortcut. First, of course, we have to tap on Snapchat. And the easiest way is just to take a photo or a video. We don't have to post this, don't worry. But we're gonna hit on send at the bottom right. As you can see, I have two shortcuts in here. If I wanted to add somebody, I can tap that little plus icon to the right of there. As you can see, it pops up with edit shortcuts, so I can tap on this first one. And if I wanted to add somebody, I can just go down this list and all I have to do is check next to their little name. If I wanted to, I can always search for them. Let's say I just scrolled through this list and tap on those few people that I wanted to add and then hit save. Just like that. Now it is updated, so that updated shortcut, I can tap on the shortcut at the top left here and it will just select just those people and they've added in those new people that I've just created in this shortcut. So I can just hit select here and now I can send it to that new list of people that I added. That is how we add more people to a Snapchat shortcut.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.